Solenoid valve disassembly. Step 1. Remove the 4 screws on the rear of the solenoid valve and open the solenoid valve. Take care not to lose the internal plastic film and rubber ring. Step 2. After removing the valve plate, inspect the interior for foreign objects and check the black component for signs of wear. If foreign objects or dust are present, clean them thoroughly. If the black component shows wear, replace it with a new one. Once inspection and repairs are complete, reassemble the solenoid valve by reversing the disassembly steps. Ensure all parts are securely reinstalled.